Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to the EPSEX online support program for grade 3 and I'm your maths teacher Miss Filza Khan. Topic which we are going to discuss today is comparing and ordering numbers. Introduction of the lesson. When comparing two or more numbers, first count the number of digits in each number. Whole numbers with more digits are greater than the numbers with fewer digits. Ordering number means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. So today's thought of the day is learn as much as you can while you are young, since life becomes too busy later. So students, today we are going to compare numbers within 10,000 and arrange numbers from greatest to smallest and vice versa. So students, during written work, you must have to start comparing numbers from its highest place value. And arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. And arrangement of numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. Now students, let's start our mental math session. So the first question is, what is the place value of 5 in the number 2150? So as you see that 5 is at tens place. So the value of 5 is 50. Second question is, what is 6 tens? 6 tens means 60. 8 threes are 24. What is 10 more than 80 students? It's 90. What is 100 less than 500? It's 400. Now students, let's do a recap of place value. A place value represents place of a digit in a number. Example, you have to identify the place value of digit 5. And the number is 3548. As you see that 3 is at 1000 place, 5 is at 100 place, 4 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place. So the place value of digit 5 is 500. Now let's move towards our first topic, that is comparing numbers. So students, how to compare numbers? When we compare two numbers, there can be three possibilities. The first number is smaller than the second number. We represent it with the symbol of less than. Second possibility is the first number is greater than the second number. We represent it with the symbol of greater than. The third and the last possibility is the first number is equal to the second number. We represent it with the equal to sign. Now let's start the topic with the story of an alligator. As I told you before, the story of an alligator, and you know that Ellie is always hungry, He said that the symbols are bit like my mouth. I am a hungry Ellie and I always wants to eat the biggest number. So students, the open mouth sign shows that the number is greater and the close end shows that the number is smaller. Now let's take an example. I have two numbers. Now tell me which number Ellie will eat first. The numbers are 5724 and 3431. So students, how to compare the number? We always start comparing the number from the highest place value. So in this number, the highest place is 1000. So let's compare our number from the highest place value, that is 1000. So in the 1000 place, the first digit is 5 while the second digit is 3. So we all know that 5 is greater than 3. Hence Ellie will eat which number? 5724. And 3 is smaller than 5. It means that Ellie will not eat 3431. Now I have one more example for you. Which number Ellie will not eat? And I have two numbers again, 6247 and 6249. As I told you in the previous example that we always start comparing numbers from the highest place value. So let's check the 1000 place first. In the 1000 place, both the digits are same. Both have 6. Now let's move towards 100. As you see that in the 100 place, the digits are also same. Now move towards the tens place. In the tens place, the digits are also same, that is 4. But there is a difference in the ones place. As you see that in the ones place, the upper digit is 7 and the lower digit is 9. And we know that 7 is smaller than 9. So Ellie will not eat which number, students? The smaller one, 6247. Now students, let's move towards another topic, that is ordering numbers. Now students, what are ordering numbers? Ordering number means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. When we arrange the numbers in an increasing order, it is known as ascending order. And when the numbers are arranged in decreasing order, then they are known as descending order. Now I have two pictures here on the screen that clearly explain the concept of ascending and descending order. In the first picture, as you see that the girl is climbing up the mountain. It means that going up is ascending order. While in the second picture, the skydiver comes towards the earth. It means that going down from higher place to the lowest place is descending order. So first to last or smallest to greatest is ascending order, while highest to lowest is descending order. Now students, here I have an example for you in which you have to arrange the numbers first in descending order, then the same numbers in descending order. And the numbers are 3508, 1268 and 2435. Now as you know that ascending means smallest to greatest. So among all the three numbers, the thousand place digits are different. In the first number, the thousand place digit is 3, while in the second number, the thousand place digit is 1. And in the third number, the thousand place digit is 2. So we know that 1 is smaller than 2. So the first number, the smallest number is 1268. Now the greater number is 2435 and the greatest number is 3508. Now I am going to convert the same numbers in descending order. So in the thousand place, the greatest digit is 3. So which number is greatest? 3508 comes first, then the smaller one is 2435. And which number is the smallest, students? 1268. Now students, let's do a quick recap of today's topic. So first of all, we had revised the concept of place value. Then we have revised the concept of comparing numbers through three different strategies: greater than, less than, equal to. Then we had revised the concept of ordering numbers and how to order numbers in ascending and descending order. Last but not the least, I have one homework for you. So question is, use the 4 digits below to make the 4 greatest number and the 4 smallest number. Now here are the 4 digits given below: 0, 3, 5 and 8. With the help of these digits, you have to make the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. But students, do not begin a number with 0. So students, I hope you understand today's topic. Do more practice of comparing and ordering numbers at home. Thank you and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.